Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, July 20, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to kick in. Got a long day ahead.
I feel you. I've got a big meeting this afternoon.
Oh, meetings always a blast. Hey, did you catch the news about those global trade talks?
Yeah, I did. They're saying it might push product prices up.
Exactly. If prices jump, my sales pitches get way tougher.
I know. It could mess with our project budgets too.
Man, I hope they sort it out soon. I don't want to be the guy explaining price hikes to clients.
Fair point? Let's hope they come to an agreement fast.
Fingers crossed. I can't deal with more client complaints right now.
Huh? I bet. It's always something with these global deals.
Totally. I mean, every year it's the same story, just different countries arguing.
True. It makes planning projects so tricky for us?
Yeah, I just want stable prices for once. Is that too much to ask?
Not at all. We all need some calm in the market.
For sure. Hey, on a different note, did you hear about that new work app?
Oh, the one for organizing tasks. I saw something about it.
Yeah, it sounds pretty neat. I'm always forgetting stuff or losing my notes.
It could be useful for tracking project deadlines. I might give it a try.
You should. I'm downloading it today. No more messy sticky notes for me.
That's a good plan. Technology can really make life easier.
For sure. I'm all about anything that saves me time.
Same here. I'm curious if it syncs with our current systems.
Good question. I'll check that out and let you know.
Thanks. It's always nice to have tools that actually help.
Yep. Anything to make the workday smoother. I'm tired of juggling 10 things at once.
I get it. A good app can take some stress off.
Exactly. I need less chaos in my inbox, you know?
Oh, I know. My inbox is a disaster too.
We're in the same boat. Let's hope this app is a game changer.
Let's hope so. I'll read more about it later.
Cool. Keep me posted. Hey, speaking of helpful stuff, did you see that celebrity charity event?
Yes, the one for better schools for kids. I thought it was really nice.
Yeah, some big names showed up. I like when they use their fame for good stuff.
Me too. Good schools can make such a big difference for kids.
Totally. I remember my old school barely had books, so this hits close to home.
I understand. Education is so important for the future.
For sure. Hey, maybe we could do a little fundraiser here at work.
That's an idea. I'll bring it up with the team and see what they think.
Cool, count me in. I'm always up for a good cause.
Great. It feels good to help out, even in a small way.
Yep, even small things add up. We could get everyone involved.
Yeah, that would be awesome. A little team spirit never hurts.
True, we could use some of that around here.
Definitely. It's nice to do something positive together.
For sure. Maybe we can organize a bake sale or something simple.
Good thought. I'll note that down for the team chat.
Nice. I'll bring my famous cookies if we do it.
Now I'm excited. Your cookies are the best.
Thanks. I'll make extra just for you.
You're the best. Let's make this happen.
Deal. Man, talking about all this makes me feel productive already.
Same here. Coffee breaks are the best for ideas.
Totally. I get my best thoughts right here by the coffee machine.
Me too. It's like our little brainstorming spot.
Yeah, better than any meeting room. No boring presentations here.
So true. Just good coffee and good chats.
Exactly. Hey, going back to those trade talks, do you think it'll hit us hard?
Hard to say. It depends on what they decide in the end.
Yeah, I just worry about my clients pulling back. Sales are tough enough.
I get it. We might need to adjust budgets if costs rise.
More work for me then. I'll have to sweet talk clients even more.
You're good at that. I'm sure you'll manage.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I'll need all the charm I can get.
You've got plenty. Just keep smiling through it.
Will do. Hey, about that app, do you think it's free or paid?
Not sure. I'll check the details online after this.
Cool, let me know. I don't want to spend too much on it.
Same here. Free tools are always the best.
Totally. I'm all about saving a few bucks where I can.
Huh? Aren't we all? I'll look for a free trial at least.
Perfect. You're the best at finding deals.
Thanks. I try to keep things practical.
That's why you're the project manager. You keep us on track.
Huh, I try. It's a busy job though.
I bet. I don't know how you handle all those deadlines.
Lots of coffee helps, and good planning.
Clearly, you're like the queen of planning.
Thanks. I just like things organized.
I need some of that in my life. My desk is a mess right now.
Huh. I've seen it. Maybe that new app will help.
Fingers crossed. I'm ready for a clean slate.
Good luck with that. Let me know if it works.
Will do. Hey, about the charity thing, when do you think we can start?
Maybe next week? I'll talk to the team soon.
Sounds good. I'll start spreading the word too.
Perfect. The more people, the better.
Yep. Let's make it a fun thing for the office.
Agreed. A little fun can lift everyone's mood.
For sure. We need a break from all the stress.
So true. It's been a busy few months.
Tell me about it. I'm counting down to my next vacation.
Huh, me too. Where are you thinking of going?
Somewhere with a beach. I need sun and no emails.
Sounds amazing. I'm dreaming of a quiet place myself.
Nice. Let's both get through this busy time first.
Deal, one day at a time.
Yep, man, this coffee break flew by again.
It always does. Time to get back to work now.
Yeah, I've got to hit those sales numbers. Catch you later.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. Let's chat again soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.